So, are you feeling well enough to take the ELPAC test?
Yeah.
Okay. So the test will start now. This is a test to assess your proficiency in speaking English as a method of control. The test consists of two tasks, and will take approximately 20 minutes. So in task 1, you're going to hear a number of routine and non-routine communications from hands. You are the controller, and you must respond to each message using either standard IQ physiology, whenever appropriate, or plain English. There's no need for you to make any coordination using a considered plan. There's no separation problems. You may give instructions to aircraft as using tests. My colleague will play the role of defense. There will be no visual contact between you. I'm going to give you a chart representing the traffic situation and the information necessary for the task. You may keep the chart in front of you during the task, and you may take notes on the chart if you wish in the following parts. Yeah, you take notes as you wish. As in the following part, you will be asked to give a report to your supervisor on any unexpected situation that might occur. You will have 1 minute to look at the chart before the first communication begins. Do you understand the instructions? Yes.
Can do approach, spanner 2046. We are established on final course runway 0313 miles out.
Spanner 2046, continue on the approach.
Continue approach, spanner 2046. Can do approach, Spinner 28905. You're coming to flight level 80, request higher.
Spinner 28905, what flight level do you request?
Request flight level 30, Spinner 28905.
Spinner 28905, flight level 30 approved.
Can do approach, good morning. Charlie Sierra Alpha 355, climbing 3,000 feet on Victor India Victor 12 Bravo departure. Any speed restriction on our climb today?
Czech Airlines 555, no speed restrictions.
No speed restriction, Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. Approach, hello, November 329 Tango Alpha, descending through flight level 100, down to flight level 80, speed 270, reducing to 220 knots. Would you confirm that the runway used is 03?
November 329 Tango Alpha, hello, runway 30 is in use.
Can you confirm the runway used is 03, November Tango Alpha?
November 329 Tango Alpha, sorry, yes, runway 03 is in operation.
03, November Tango Alpha. Approach, Spanner 2046, we are 8 miles on final. Can we switch on to tower?
Spanair 2046, affirm, clear to land.
Clear to land, Spanner 2046. November Tango Alpha, request radar vectors with gentle turns. We have livestock on board.
November 329 Tango Alpha, copy that, maintain current heading.
Maintaining current heading, November Tango Alpha. Approach Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. We have a squall line ahead of us. We can only stay on our track for another 10 miles or so. We need to turn.
Check Airlines 555, what's your intention?
We need to take another 10 miles to stay on that. We need to stay on our track for another 10 miles, and then in order to avoid squall line, maybe 10 degrees to the left or right. Charlie Sierra Alpha 355.
Check Airlines 555, okay, go ahead, turn left 10 degrees.
Turn left 10 degrees from present, Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. Approach November 329 Air Tango Alpha. Our weather radar is unserviceable. Do you have any information of cells on the approach?
November 329 Tango Alpha, should be clear on the approach. Nothing particular reported.
Roger, November Tango Alpha. Approach Checker 355. The purser has reported some oily smell at the rear of the passenger cabin.
Check Airlines 555, copy that. Do you need any assistance?
Check Airline 355, we need to hold somewhere until we are sure what the problem is.
Check Airlines 555, in that case, turn right, heading 09.
Turn right, heading 09. Check Airline 355. Is that correct?
Check Airlines 555, sorry, negative, turn left, heading 310.
Turn left, heading 310, check Airlines 355. Thank you. Approach November 329 Air Tango Alpha, passing Papa Alpha Charlie. Request descent for ILS approach.
November 329 Tango Alpha, descent to flight level 30. Turn left, heading 140.
Descent flight level 30, left turn 140, November Tango Alpha. Approach from Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. You're afraid a problem might have to do with hydraulics. Can we hold in the area for another 10 minutes and then go back to the field?
Check Airlines 555, approved, holding approved. Contact me when you're ready.
Wilco, Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. Approach Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. We are now ready to come back and land. Request radar vectors to final approach.
Check Airlines 555. In that case, turn left, heading 270.
Turn left, heading 270 degrees. Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. Approach Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. The smell seems to be fading away, but would appreciate fire services on landing in case of possible hydraulic leak.
Check Airlines 555. Copy that. We'll have the emergency services ready when you arrive.
Thank you. Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. Approach Charlie Sierra Alpha 355. They finally found out the reason. We found a bottle of olive oil smashed in the overhead locker which leaked into the air conditioning.
Czech Airlines 555. In that case, will you still be requiring emergency services?
We do appreciate if the fire services be on standby on the one-way Charlie Sierra Alpha 555.
Roger. Czech Airlines 555.
This is the end of the first part of the task 1.
Thank you. So that's the end of task 1. May I have the chart? Now, in this part of the task, you asked to. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Can I? In this part of the task, you'll be asked to explain the unexpected situations which have just happened. You'll be explaining this informally to supervisor as paid by the company.
I understand that something unusual happened today during your shift. Can you take me through the situation step by step, please?
Well, the Czech Airlines, there was a Czech Airlines flight and somebody spilled olive oil in the overhead bins.
So, what was the situation actually? Did the pilot request anything after that incident?
Yeah, emergency services, but not quite sure why.
Okay. What was the workload and traffic situation today?
It was okay. Nothing major, I'd say.
What were the weather conditions like today?
Pretty calm.
What was the position of the aircraft when he reported the problem?
The CSA.
Czech Airlines.
Yeah, he was climbing out.
Do you remember?
Victor and the Victor.
Has he requested to be directed to Victor and the Victor?
Well, that was the flight plan, right? He did ask for a turn to 10 degrees to the right to avoid a school line, but then, yeah, to resume his own navigation later on.
And do you remember what was the exact nature of the problem reported by the Czech Airlines trip flight?
Somebody spilled olive oil in the cabin, in the overhead bins.
And that concerned pilots?
That's what I was wondering. No idea why that's such a big deal. But, somebody got him on the top afterwards. That's
What were the pilot's intention? I remember you mentioned about the asking for emergency services. Do you remember anything more than that?
yeah, he wanted to turn back
To
point of departure, so it can do.
and what was your reply?
Well, I gave him a left turn initially to 310. Yeah, but that was actually to send them in a holding. They wanted to go into a holding to check out the olive oil.
Did the pilot request anything else?
No.
And the weather was all right today, right?
Yeah.
In my logbook, I found some other reports regarding the hydraulics, some kind of report regarding possible hydraulic leaks. Have you encountered anything today regarding hydraulic leaks?
No. Well, the Czech airline was hydraulics first, but then realised it was the old one.
Thank you. I think I have enough information now.
Now, in this task, you'll be asked to look at the photograph and describe what you see. Then you'll be given a number of questions related to the photograph. Answering the questions as fully as possible. You will not be assessed on what you think, but on how well you can express yourself in English. And you will have 30 seconds to look at the photograph and make it in front of you while we discuss it. Do you understand this routine? So the question will begin now. Please describe what you can see in the photograph.
It's a wintry scene at an airport.
And where do you think this was taken?
Somewhere where they still allow 737-200s without crash strips to land. How they exist.
And do you think this, what sort of work is being carried out here?
Judging by the state of the plane, not much. Don't going anywhere.
Quite a few minutes.
It's covered in snow. Quite a lot of it.
And would you say that this work has been carried out before or after?
I don't think the plane's going anywhere. I mean, it's still got the covers on the engine, so.
And why would you want to do that?
To prevent something from ending up in the engine.
And do you think that this is an effective way of whatever it is? What sort of work have you been done there?
Well, the door at the rear is open, but no stairs have been attached to the aircraft at the back. Slightly dangerous. Yeah, the general maintenance.
Can you give me more details about the maintenance work around it?
Hard to say. I mean, the picture isn't very detailed, really. There's a rope or a cable or something over fuselage. That's all that's for.
And what do you think is the function of the man in the yellow